So I've been having an issue with my car every time I put the key in to start, as you can see. So just push it a little bit, everything comes on. As soon as I let go, the key comes back on. So today we're gonna change the ignition barrel, and hopefully that's going to stop that. And I gotta open this and swap out that one over there. And to get there, there's only one screw that's here, and I'll take that out with these. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is where we are. That's the part we're trying to change. This is the stuff that we managed to get out, so we get access to the part. Okay, so I managed to take out that's the old one, and that's where the clip is, and that's where it goes. Let's put the new one in. So you can see the old one does look a bit worn. Then you have the new one here, super fresh. So the new one is in. Easy clips. Now let's put everything back together and see if that will work. So let's try out the key. Yeah, feels solid and firm now. Now let me go put back the battery, because I removed the terminal on the battery just in case I touch something wrong and the airbag pops up. Now the moment of truth. Put the key in. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we did it. So that's how you change that, and problem solved. Car's running, key staying sturdy. Yeah, man. That's how you change your ignition barrel on a Ford Focus.